Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome. I am Shruti Agrawal, your host for today's session, brought to you by GeneQ, a platform dedicated to empowering startups through innovation, mentorship, and meaningful partnerships. Our today's topic is leveraging AI and automation for startups. It highlights one of the most powerful growth enablers of our time, from streamlining operations, reducing costs, to enhancing customer engagement and scaling faster. AI and automation are no longer optional, they are essential for building a competitive startup. We are honored to have with us Mr. Harendra Singh Rajput, founder of A Canyon Digital and one of Ahmedabad's top digital marketing and business consultants. With over 16 years of experience, Mr. Harendra has worked with leading IT companies and startups, helping them grow through sales enablement, inbound and outbound marketing, and global expansion strategies. His expertise spans SEO, PPC, content marketing, branding, ASO, and lead generation, making him a trusted growth partner for business worldwide. It's an honor to have him here with us today. Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Harendra Singh Rajput. Hello, sir.
Uh, First of all, thank you, Shruti, for introducing, and it's honor to be here and as a helping startups to sharing our knowledge. So it is again a proud thing, right? Thank you. So shall we start with the presentation?
Yes, sir. We can.
So it's live or like we can see the who are available or something.
It's live, sir.
Okay, great. So hello everyone. So this is Harry, and let me start with the like how AI and automation will help the startups actually. So let me start with the first slide. So as everyone knows, AI and automation is a totally different thing. So in AI, it is all about thinking. Machine can think, and based on that, they can some take some decisions. If we say examples, Netflix are recommending movies, and ChatGPT answering queries, and Google Maps predicting traffic. So these are the examples actually to AI and all, right? And if we talk about the automation, so if we are sending any emails, if we are paying payments and getting reminders, so these are the examples of the AI automation. So it is totally different. So if I say in simple words, to do the simple things, AI can do that. And if you want, the machines can take the decisions and predict or something, so that automation plays a part. So as we know, like 90% startups fail just because of the inefficiencies, and just only AI can fix that, right? So here are the differences actually AI versus automation actually. So AI can think, learn, and adopt. The same way automation can repeat the predefined task, and you can uh, set your task and that can manage it. Second, in AI, it handles uncertainties and all, right? But in automation, it can handle the routine task and everything, right? Simple fraud detection is it can handle it by AI. But if we talk about the automation, so invoice generations, predicting the things, so that we call is automation. So there are, for the startups, always the challenges. If we say hard to grow fast without spending too much. So even founders do everything themselves, but no focus. Too many manual tasks, time, right? Big players have a more money and people, and end of the result, what happened? Startup fails. So for that, I believe uh, we can utilize the automation and AI things. So uh, let's say some examples for the marketing and sales. You can use the chatbots, personalized campaigns, lead management automation things. Same way for the operation things and automation, the automate workflows, CRM updates can be a best example for the automation actually. Even if you think about like finance and all. So auto expenses tracking, future cash predictions, that are the best example in the automation. Even have you seen that like all the industries have adopted the chatbots for the support system right now. Like you don't need to hire more telecalling persons, or they can answer you or something. Just like example, if we say um, uh, in a hospital, receptionists are there, but now the things are changed. They acquired the chatbots, so they can all directly answers. So these are the great example of chatbots actually. Even you are not available, they can instantly answers. Same way, the SaaS product companies also trying to, instead of hiring many developers or testers and all, what they are doing is they are creating a AI testing systems, and that can collect and analyze user feedbacks. So these are the, I think, best examples and use cases through that you can understand the why automation and AI is needed, right? So to implement these things, I think what you need to, as a startup, what you need to do to find out the repeated task. Because as a founder, if you think everything you will do, it is hard. So you can figure out like uh, whatever the emails you are doing, whatever the marketing, social media, if anything you are managing. So adopt that tools and start guiding your team and utilize the maximum tools. And you can start with the low cost, right? Even in marketing, SEMrush or other like content writing tools are very helpful, where you can easily like write the content, or you can check grammar, you can check if content is humanized or not, right? The same way, if you are taking a calls, you can use fireflies and something, and that is help you actually to like you don't need to write the MOM or something what client has sees, right? So these are the actually example, and these are the like uh, flows, I think, where you can figure out like what tools and technologies you can utilize, and you can save your hours. So as a founder, I think that should you need to take actions in that. So roadmap will be always very simple. As a startup, what you do, figure out what are the repetitive tasks in your organization, right? Maybe you have a startup or a small product, right? Figure out what things are like marketing, sales, HR, operation, everything. Even HR, we are like now screening the resumes are the that's automation, right? So there are many things, many tasks. Even if you have a manufacturing firm, or like you are fintech firm, many things you can do that through the AI tools, right? But start with small things, just like marketing or emails, right? That are the best example actually, and you can add that AI adoptions in your businesses, right? And grow. Then after 3 months, 6 months, you can think about to adopt your own chatbots, train them, right? So that is the best example actually. So start with the like freely or small cost tools which are available freely, adopt it, then try to implement whole AI system in your in your company, right? Maybe bigger your own chatbots, your own systems, even some features. If you have a mobile app, something, and that is just mobile app, adopt that features and help users actually. So that is, I think, the right way to adopt AI and automation. So here is some fact about the like startups. Why should startups care? So as per the McKinsey, startups using AI automation grows 30 to 40% faster actually. So why like these reports are there? Because they have done that level of research, and maybe like here in India we have not adopted that level. But if you talk about USA or Europe countries, they are starting adopting. They don't have a bigger teams actually. So what they do, they figure out like whatever the things are available, they try to adopt all whatever the possible AI tools are available in smaller amounts, right? They reduce the cost by hiring full-time employees, right? You can hire smart people, right, who can uh, build automation like N10, and there are right examples. You can create own automation through the LinkedIn. You can directly post, you can directly post on social media everywhere. So that there are many examples actually available. So that's why it helps you to reduce the cost, increase your speed, and improve customer experience. So everyone says like AI replace jobs. The truth is AI creates opportunities, and the risk is data privacy concerns, over reliance on tools, wrong tools choice. So, what I experience here is like when, as a founder, don't look like what others are using. Just first figure out like what problems in your organizations have, and whatever the problems you are facing, so to solve that problems, what tools you can use it. So that is a core actually right way to adopting the tools. It's not like everyone is using Perplexity, Chat GTP, or like or 10 writing tools, not need to buy. So right, suppose you need Canva or some Figma AI, take it, train your some designers like how we can increase your like efficiencies, right? So with the small team you can do the like increase your work, right? So that is a like future, like AI will not replace you anymore. I'm here, we are here, right? So for the startup, even people who are working in startups, so there is no worry about, but you need to adopt it. Even as a startup, founders are also worried like AI is there, ab kya hoga? So no need to worry. Try to add that things in your organization, in your product, and you will be free. So next is like as a startup where or where you can add the things using AI. So majorly the part is the automation workflows. So like streamline your campaigns, reduce manual efforts. You can use the tools like Zapier, Make, connect the apps, or you can use for the email things and all. You can use the email Mailchimp, right? That is solving your automation problems, right? Even like suppose you want to your startup, your one or two people company, you don't know like you don't have actually much bigger budgets, then start utilizing some AI tools in the marketing, like to create the blogs, social media posts. There are many tools available who can create the ads, who can build your entire social media content, right? So you can plan that way. So आपको ट्राई करना है तो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट इट एक्चुअली. सी फाउंडर ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं चार की टीम बनाऊं, सोशल मीडिया अलग कर रहा है, एसईओ कोई अलग कर रहा है. So maybe sometimes जब हम when we start from zero, so we must need to start with someone somewhere. कि भाई Canva में if we hire someone smart people, right? Gen Zs are very smart, right? They know the video editing, they know the uh, email campaigns, they understand the content writing, everything. But we must have to hire that level of people, and we have to pay as well actually. So instead of hiring 4 or 5 people, pay some good amounts to the very smart intelligence people, and say it by आप तो brand ambassador हो इस company के, and do it. And people are doing it that way actually. The same way like customer engagement. So companies have adopted the like many chatbots, right? Intercom, or instead of intercom or draft, I think adopt the smart chatbots with the FAQs, at least limited to your organization. So that will what that will do is like it will help to solve your many problems actually, right? So and last, like everyone know need the automation in the analytics and reports. So Google Analytics and like there are other HubSpot tools are available actually. Crayon, Brandwatch, many, right? So now they are like that level of smart actually. So what they do, like they automatically give you the predictions. These pages are not performing well. These keywords are down. Even even console is search console, Google search console is also very smart. So now you can get it easily, like what are the predictions, which page are performing, not which blocks is not performing, or we are getting traffic from video, images, or whatever, like. So that things is possible because of this now AI adoptions actually. So start learning, because everything is behind you. आप अगर देखने जाओगे तो you will find it आपके एवरीवेयर अराउंड यू। आपको मिलेंगे टूल्स, मिलेंगे आपको एनी टूल्स यू आर यूजिंग, देयर देयर इज समथिंग एआई इन दैट, राइट? बट समटाइम्स वी डोंट नो, लाइक कि भाई गूगल एनालिटिक्स में या फिर हबस्पॉट में या सैमरस में एआई है। देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स अवेलेबल इन द एआई, राइट? सो बहुत कुछ है। तो यू नीड टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द राइट टूल्स एंड अडॉप्ट इट। So here they have mentioned some tools like Zapier. Uh, it connect apps and automate the workflows without coding. So generally Zapier, Make, or N10, these are the tools actually. So it helps you to automate the process in sort. Like suppose you want to manage the lead management, or you want to manage your LinkedIn or all, right? So that things, it will easier, they automatically they can manage it. You need to just find the right people who can set up for you. So Zapier, Mac, and N10, I think these are the tools actually. The same way Jasper is all about like writing copies and all, right? So they have like more AI enabled thought processes. You need to just write the prompt. If you write the right prompt, whether you are writing the a landing page, whether you are writing a social media content, or anything, whatever you want, you need to just figure out what will be the right prompt for me, right? Suppose if you are writing, let's say मुझे कुछ लैंडिंग पेज लिखना है, मुझे मेटा एड्स या कुछ सॉरी गूगल एड्स रन करने हैं, राइट? दैट्स द बेस्ट वे, लाइक initially you can start it if you know like meta ads how it works. To like churn or to get more best results, you must need like marketing persons and to understand the MVP version of how to start them, uh, uh, Meta or something. You can try like Jasper. There are other ads tool you can try it, right? And just create it, learn it, maybe burn some money, right? It's fine, but learn it. And suppose if you are not doing it, hire that level of people who can do that, right? But now things are much easier compared to the previous. If I talk about in my earlier days, it is hard to start a startup. I started 2 times and I failed. The reason behind it, like I need to hire designer, developer, or many bigger team. Even I was like in marketing sales, right? Still I need bigger team, and for the bigger team you need bigger money, so it is always hard. But now things are very sort easy. You need to figure out the right strategy, right mentors, right people, and I think that will solve your problem actually. Same, HubSpot is, I think, a very great tool. So if you want to do the email marketing, campaign setup, or if you want to place any like schedule meeting calls and all, right? So they can easily do that. HubSpot is always best for the uh, email campaigns or lead scoring, personalized email campaigns. Now I think HubSpot is also providing the automation. So it's their free version and paid version. I utilize both. So that is always a right tool for the email sales, for anything. Okay, here are the some tools like which I talked in other talks, right? So for the startup, I think when you are starting a startup, I think Canva, Mailchimp, ChatGPT, Zapier. These are the, I think, very common or basic tools, and I believe like you must have knowledge for that, right? At least to start something. I think these are the cost friendly. Canva is like there are free like group sharing tools available where you can buy. ChatGPT is also group available in group sharing. Mailchimp, you need to buy it. It is free. Uh, Up to 2,000 emails, you can do it, right? Rest, I think, for that you need to pay actually, right? In the same way, Zapier. So these are only four, but there are many like for the email, for writing of content. Suppose if you are developing some, like previously, actually I used Lovable to build my small MVP website. So generally, what happened? Client asked me like, I need how the website will look like, and I need the menu and everything. So I thought like, why like investing my designer's time? What I did, like I write the right prompt, right, and through that prompt, I created one nice one home page and the dummy version of menu, and I present to the client, and he is happy actually. So Lovable is nice tool for this creating small level of websites. Even there are other tools available compared to Lovable, but try that as well. So I'm using that kind of tools actually. So benefits, as you know, like everyone, like as a startup, if you start adopting the AI, what I believe, like it will save your time, it will save your cost, and you become smart, your company, your everyone like think like they talk like smart, right? So I think that's the better way actually. And customer experience also, like user also feel good, like when you say like our company is AI enabled, when you say like our website is AI enabled. So I think that's a way, that's why like everyone have to start adopting AI in marketing. Not only marketing, like if you say as a startup, everywhere, even in a development side or design side also, you can hire the companies like who are doing vibe coding. Right now this is a very trending vibe coding development. So people used to come to us like, we want to develop a website in Lovable. So it is easier, like it will take 1 week, hardly 1 week, with more maximum data, right? So and for me, like just for the MVP, I think these are the vibe coding platforms are very useful. But if you want to build a very scalable product, I think after that time you must need to go with the core development language and all, right? For startup, it is fine. Like you can create small applications, web applications, websites, everything. So that's the benefit of like AI actually. And what the key takeaways are: the AI personalization scale, automation equal to time and cost efficiency, start small, growth with the impact actually, right? So thank you so much, everyone. So hope you like the suggestions and the uh, webinar about the startup and scaling with the AI. So you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or like you are connected with incubation. So anyone, like you want to anything you want to learn, or you want to adopt, like you know, how to do the things. So I'm always ready to personally guide you. So thank you, and thank you, G Incube, for inviting me here. And Suti, thank you so much, like hosting this webinar. It is much needed for the startup actually.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and practical session. Your strategies on marketing, sales, and business growth has given startups a clear roadmap to leverage technology effectively. So, on
Correct.
behalf of GeneCube and everyone present, we sincerely thank you for sharing your expertise. We look forward to hosting you again for more such insightful sessions. Thank you
Yeah,
so
sure.
much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.